Hey, have you ever tried tea eggs? They're like a Chinese, Taiwanese snack, street food. Take some eggs, boil them, and then you crack them after you boil them, and then you just let it sit in like a brine. So it's got like soy sauce, sugar, cinnamon, anise, orange peels, bay leaves, peppercorns, just add a few, ingredients. Apparently, it's pretty customizable and you can do it in a bunch of ways. So I gave it a shot because I'm pretty like gastronomically adventurous, or I guess slightly adventurous in general. Anyways, so I gave it a shot. I didn't do a good job documenting the process or my reaction, but I have the eggs, and if anything, I'll just redo it. But it tasted pretty good. I do it again, and outside of the fact that they're customizable, you could just have them like warm or cold as a side dish or by themselves. I just had them by themselves, and I know a lot of people are like focusing on their protein intake or whatever. So if you want to try something a little bit different while getting that protein in, I'd recommend the TX. Circling back to the taste though, obviously with like the soy sauce and like the sugar, it's got that salty sweet going on. And then with like the other aromatics, I believe I had used star anise, cinnamon, orange peel. Um, you get all of that obviously. It's like just like nice notes of like each different flavor. You wouldn't expect those other things to go well with the egg, depending on like where you're from. But it worked out pretty well. So like I said before, I'd do it again. I'll document it and stuff like that. And you guys, like, look at this marbling. This is beautiful. Super exquisite. If you're an artist, feel free to use the eggshells and make some sort of collage or intricate portrait and then sell it to the MoMA or some private patron for like a few $1 million. You're welcome.